Jamaica is our home, and we want to explore it and share those moments with you.
That includes the food, the places, in general, our culture.
This is YaadMentz.
Hey guys, welcome
everybody.
to YaadMentz. So this week we are having our highlight of season 1, and this is the season 1 highlight video.
Yep.
So we are going to talk about what?
Well, basically the best of season 1.
Yeah.
So we're going to have 5 different aspects that we're going to be looking back on, and we're going to each give our take on each one of those things.
Right.
We want to thank you again for all of you who have subscribed, all of you who have liked. Big up on yourselves. And we know that you guys are going to be here with us for season 2.
Season 2. Yeah.
Alright, so let's jump right into it.
Alright.
So the first category that we're going to be looking at, or the first aspect that we're going to be looking at, is the funniest moment. So what was the funniest moment in season 1 for you?
Let's think about it. Funniest moment for me was seeing her dance salsa. I've never seen her dance before, so to see her do a little salsa move, even though she never get it out of the back, but I just should try, and trying is always good. So that was the funniest moment for me. Yeah.
All right. So for me, the funniest moment was, of course, seeing him fall. Seeing him fall and fall again and fall again in our last video, our season finale of Skateland. So that was the funniest moment for me.
Yeah, hey.
So the second one that we're going to be looking at is your favorite memory.
My favorite memory. You want to go
So
first?
for me, my favorite memory was shooting the Get to Know You tag. My favorite part of that video was actually the beginning where we had us in the frame, walking into the frame and walking around the gardens and stuff like that. I love that part. And of course, anything that would get us to show more of our personality and more of who we are is, to me, really good. So that was my favorite memory.
My favorite memory was meeting Tony for the first time. That's her friend that's in the States. She came and visited, and we went out to Devon House Bakery to eat some food and just to get to know her and stuff. So that was my favorite memory for season 1.
Alright, the next aspect that we have is the best food or best eat. So for you, what was your best eat?
Alright, so my best eat was Taco Tuesday. I like tacos. I think it was nice just to refresh my taste bud and how the taco tastes, and the meatiness and the sauce and the spiciness. It was good.
Awesome. So for me, my favorite eat was Tuesdays. Tuesdays food was just off the wall. With me, it's about
#big up Portmore.
It's about quality and quantity, and I believe that the food was just exquisite. I would definitely go there over and over and over and over again. So Tuesdays, definitely my best to eat.
Okay. And which one of the showdown was your favorite?
Right, the showdown. My favorite showdown was the fries showdown. Because that is where I showed that I know fries, and that taste test, I got everything right, so that was definitely my favorite showdown.
Yeah, whatever. My favorite showdown was the banana chip showdown. It was our first showdown. It took a bit of trying to get it together, but I think that was my favorite one because it was the first one, and it was fun just to do it and try a showdown or something. So it worked. So yeah. My favorite showdown.
Alright, so the final category is where we will be bigging up people who stood out for us, or each of us will give one person that stood out for us in terms of commenting on our videos, very supportive, always giving good comments and making us laugh and stuff like that. Right. So what would you say? Who would you say?
I have to say big up Maurice Edwards, right? Maurice Edwards. Big up Maurice Edwards. He comment and him always a running joke on the Rasta youth, but big up Maurice for real.
Yeah, big up yourself. For me, it's Chantal Long, aka
Long.
Queenie.
Chantal.
She commented on almost every single one of our
Chantal,
videos.
for real.
She's always supporting, sharing, and liking. So big up yourself, Queenie, if you're there. Me not say I can comment anyway. Big up yourself, girlfriend.
Yeah, man, for real.
We love the love. We thank you again for the support.
Okay, so again guys, we want to thank you so much for sharing our stuff, for liking, commenting, and just watching what we do on a week-to-week basis. Yes, season 1 has come to an end, and we are loving the fact that we were able to just complete a 10 show series. It was fun, it was exciting, it was challenging,
Definitely.
It was a lot of arguments, even though you don't see the behind the scenes. But trust me,
one day we might show you those. One day we might
trust
show
me,
you.
it's not as easy as it seemed, but we had fun, and it helped us to grow as well, and you get to see us do all of this, right?
Have to have something good up our sleeve to signal the end of season 1.
Yes.
So we are doing a giveaway. Yay!
Ta-da!
For giveaway. So we're gonna be giving away one movie ticket to one of our lucky and blessed and awesome subscribers.
Yes.
It's a movie ticket. You can watch any movie. It's at any theater. It's only for those who are in Jamaica. Eligible for those who are in Jamaica.
Yes.
All right, these are the rules.
Okay.
First, you must be subscribed to our channel.
Okay. Subscribe.
Second, you must like this video. So like this highlight video.
Right.
Third, you must comment down below on this video your favorite memory or your favorite episode in season 1.
Yes.
And fourth, you must follow us on Instagram at YaadMentz.
Yes.
Only 4 simple things that you have to do. So subscribe, like this video, comment your favorite memory, and of course follow us on Instagram at YaadMentz.
Simple.
Yeah, and the winners will be chosen randomly. We'll just randomly pick anybody, not necessarily anybody that we know or we don't know. We're just gonna pick somebody, and of course we will have a big announcement video.
Yes.
So we do thank you again for the love, guys. Make sure you show us all the love. Make sure you share and subscribe and comment and like.
Yeah, man.
And we will see you in season 2.
In season 2.
We're coming bigger and better.
Yeah, man.
And we will miss you guys, but we'll see you soon in season 2.
In season 2.
All right.
YaadMentz. Bye.